I was a logger up till 1984 and left Aroostook County and moved to southern Maine for steady work. And Senate Chairman, in your question earlier on about why are all the Canadian mills over on the other side of the border, well, one is subsidization. Canadian government subsidizes all of those mills, and they basically give the companies anywhere from probably a third to the half of the cost or more of building these mills and putting people to work. Well, the state of Maine has never done that for businesses here in the state of Maine. We've never subsidized and helped build mills here in the state of Maine. Okay, if those mills were here in the state of Maine, Maine people would be working. Okay, more Maine people would be cutting lumber and taking them to these mills. And our truckers, instead of taking our lumber cut from mid-Maine and hauling it to mills over in Canada, they would be going to those areas along the border, and they would be picking up that lumber and they would be bringing it to Maine mills to be manufactured. Okay, and I've heard people from the pro side of the talk get up and talk about how we don't have any lumber here, and they're looking for lumber, and they've got to go outside the state of Maine for lumber. Well, what about that 500 to 1 billion board feet of lumber that goes through the border from Calais all the way over to Jackman every year? Why aren't they pursuing that lumber to have it produced here in the state of Maine and give it value added cost here in the state and put our people to work? And the issue about needing bonded labor, there's only 34. They say they only need 30, or there's only 30.